Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the brand new Lenovo Ideapad S340. It comes in a sleek abyss blue color, packing an Intel Core i3-8145U dual-core processor under the hood. The 15.6-inch display is vibrant, offering a great visual experience. With 8GB of RAM and a 128GB SSD, this laptop ensures smooth multitasking and speedy performance. I've got the box right here, and it ships with all the relevant accessories you need. The build quality is solid, and the laptop feels robust in your hands. Windows 10 is pre-installed, providing a familiar and user-friendly interface. One standout feature is the 128GB SSD, offering snappy responsiveness and faster boot times. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, the storage capacity should suffice for your daily needs. The keyboard is comfortable for typing, and the trackpad is responsive. The laptop is portable enough for on-the-go use, making it a versatile option. Considering the specs and the affordable price point, the Ideapad S340 seems like a solid choice for those in need of a reliable everyday laptop. In conclusion, the Lenovo Ideapad S340 impresses with its specifications, build quality, and overall value. If you're on the lookout for a budget-friendly laptop with decent performance, this one deserves a closer look. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.